Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are going to talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks stylish, is easy to manage and saves time every day, every morning, then this video is for you. As we get older, many of us want a haircut that is simple, comfortable and still looks beautiful. The good news is that there are many haircuts that require very little styling but still help you look fresh and confident. Let's explore some of the best options. The first haircut is a classic pixie cut. This is one of the easiest hairstyles to care for. It washes quickly, dries fast and only needs a few minutes to style. A pixie cut also gives fine or thin hair a fuller look and highlights your facial features. The second option is the layered bob. This haircut is timeless and suits your many face shapes. Soft layers add movement and volume, making your hair look thicker. You can wear it straight, wavy, or let it air dry for a natural look. Another great choice is the textured crop. This short haircut has light layers that create volume without much effort. A small amount of styling cream is enough to keep it looking neat all day. If you prefer medium length hair, try a shoulder length layered haircut. It is easy to brush and gives you different styling options. You can leave it loose, tie it into a ponytail or make soft waves for a special event. Women with curly hair can choose a layered curly cut. Layers help curls look more defined while reduce extra weight. With a little curl cream, your hair can look healthy and beautiful without spending much time styling. If you have natural grey or silver hair, a soft feathered haircut is another lovely option. The gentle layers frame the face and give your hair a light and elegant look. This style works beautifully with natural grey hair. For women with fine or thinning hair, short layered haircut are often the best choice. They create the appearance of more volume and make the hair feel lighter and easier to manage. Now here are a few simple hair care tips. Get your hair trimmed regularly. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Try not to use heavy styling every day and let your hair air dry whenever possible. A lightweight serum or leave-in conditioner can add shine and reduce frizz. The most important thing is the choose haircut that fits your lifestyle. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.